Hello friends, myself H.S. Pandey, JNV Prayagraj. Today in this session we will discuss about problem related to linear equation in two variable part third. Here first I have taken one question. Find the value of k for which given system 3x minus 4y plus 7 is equal to 0 and kx plus 3y minus 5 is equal to 0 has unique solution, no solution, infinitely many solution. Now for unique solution as 3x minus 4y plus 7 is equal to 0 and kx plus 3y minus 5 is equal to 0. Here comparing with the standard form, we will get a1 is equal to, we have a1 is equal to 3, b1 is equal to minus 4 and a2 is equal to k and b2 is equal to 3. a1 is equal to 3, b1 is equal to minus 4, a2 is equal to k and b2 is equal to 3. Now for uniqueness of this solution, a1 upon a2 not equal to b1 upon b2 or 3 upon k that must not equal to minus 4 upon 3 or cross multiply करें minus 4k not equal to 9 or k must not equal to minus 9 upon 4. Therefore, all the real values of k except minus 9 upon 4 give the unique solution of this much. Therefore, all real values of k except minus 9 upon 4, that will give the unique solution. यूनिक सोल्यूशन का मतलब हुआ कि केवल एक पॉइंट ऑफ इंटरसेक्शन होना चाहिए. हम जानते हैं if a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0 are two simultaneous linear equation, then at that time uniqueness condition is a1 upon a2 is not equal to b1 upon b2. With the help of that equations, here it is given that equation of 3x minus 4y plus 7 is equal to 0 and kx plus 3y minus 5 is equal to 0. So comparing with that equation, we will get a1 is equal to 3, b1 is equal to minus 4, a2 is equal to k and b2 is equal to 3. So uniqueness condition is a1 upon a2 is not equal to b1 upon b2. Now a1 is 3 and a2 is k, b1 is minus 4, b2 is 3. So substituting all value and cross multiplying it, we shall get k is not equal to minus 9 upon 4. Here all real value, it means except minus 9 upon 4, k can attain any values for which this system of linear equation gives the unique solution. For no solution, a1 upon a2 is equal to b1 upon b2 is not equal to c1 upon c2. Here a1 is from the equation a1 is equal to 3, b1 is equal to minus 4, c1 is equal to 7 and a2 is equal to k, b2 is equal to 3, c2 is equal to minus 5. Now putting the value of a1, b1, c1, a2, b2, c2 in this condition, a1 means now 3 upon k is equal to minus 4 upon 3 is not equal to 7 upon minus 5. So comparing first and second, from first and second part we get from above 3 upon k is equal to minus 4 upon 9 or minus 4k is equal to minus 4 upon 3. Now minus k into minus 4 that is equal to 3 into 3 that is 9 or k is equal to minus 9 upon 4. Therefore the value of k, if it is minus 9 upon 4, then the system of equation will give the no solution. First of all, for this case, we have to find out the value of a1, b1, c1 and a2, b2, c2 and put this all values in the relation this a1 upon a2 is equal to b1 upon b2 is not equal to c1 upon c2. So, first two relations 3 upon k is equal to minus 4 upon 3. This will give you k is equal to minus 9 upon 4. This value minus 9 upon 4 will give the no solution of these two equations. Again, infinitely many solution. Infinitely many solution. Similarly, a1 upon a2 is equal to b1 upon b2 is equal to c1 upon c2. Now, putting all the values as before, 3 upon k is equal to 4 minus 4 upon 3 is equal to 7 upon minus 5. 7 upon minus 5. From first and last, from this and this, we get 3 upon k is equal to minus 7 upon 5. कैसा पूरा करेंगे? 3 into 5, 15 is equal to minus 7k or minus 7k is equal to 15 or k is equal to 15 upon minus 7. This can be written as minus 15 upon 7. So, the value of k is equal to minus 15 upon 7 will give the infinitely many solution of these two equations. So, I mean to say is that if we have to find out the value of k like these equations so that the solutions are unique solution, no solution, infinitely many solution. So we have to adapt the condition for unique solution. We know that if a1 b1 a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0, then for unique solution a1 upon a2 is not equal to b1 upon b2. We substitute all the values of a1 b1 a2 b2 in from the question and we find that k is equal to k is not equal to minus 9 upon 4. Means if k does not just contain or attain the value of minus 9 upon 4. So in this case the solution is unique and all other values of k except minus 9 upon 4 that will give you the unique solution. Now for no solution 9 a1 upon a2 is equal to b1 upon b2 is not equal to c1 upon c2. Substitute all these values, then we will find that k is equal to minus 9 upon 4. Means k is equal to minus 9 upon 4 पर यह दोनों इक्वेशन नो सोल्यूशन होंगे. फिर इनफाइनाइटली मेनी सोल्यूशन के लिए a1 upon a2 is equal to b1 upon b2 is equal to c1 upon c2. So substitute all the values and compare first to last. We will get k is equal to minus 15 upon 7. So the value of k is equal to minus 15 upon 7 will give the infinitely many solution of these two equations. The equation is find the value of p and q for which the following system of equation has infinitely many solution. The equations are 2x plus 3y minus 7 is equal to 0 and p plus q into x plus 2p minus q into y minus 21 is equal to 0. Comparing with the standard equation, comparing with the standard equation equations in two variable, we get what we get? A1 is equal to 2, B1 is equal to 3, C1 is equal to minus 7. A2 is equal to P plus Q. B2 is equal to 2P minus Q. And C2 is equal to minus 21. Now for infinitely many solution, for infinitely many solution, A1 upon A2 is equal to B1 upon B2 is equal to C1 upon C2. Substituting value we get 2 upon P plus Q. P plus Q is equal to 3 upon 2P minus Q, and that is equal to minus 7 upon minus 21. Minus minus cancelled out. This can be written as 2 upon P plus Q is equal to 3 upon 2P minus Q is equal to 1 upon 3. Taking first and last, from first and last, we get R 2 upon P plus Q, that is equal to 1 upon 3, and 3 upon 2P minus Q, that is equal to 1 upon 3. R 3 to the 6, P plus कैसा पढ़ा करेंगे? P plus Q is equal to 6 and 2P minus Q is equal to 3 3 is 9. Now adding both, this one is equation first, this one is second. Adding 1 and 2, adding 1 and 2, we get P plus Q is equal to 6, 2P minus Q is equal to 9. ऐड करेंगे, ये कट जाएगा, 3P is equal to 9 6 15 हो गया, और P is equal to 3 5 15, P is equal to 5. From equation first, P plus Q is equal to 6, P plus Q is equal to 6. Putting P is equal to 5 plus Q is equal to 6, or Q is equal to 6 minus 5, that is equal to 1. Therefore, P is equal to 5 and Q is equal to 1. This is required solution. Now, here once again, these two equations are given. 2x plus 3y minus 7 is equal to 0. P plus Q into x plus 2P minus Q into y minus 21 is equal to 0. Now, first of all, we have to compare with the standard form of linear equation in two variable. That pair of the standard form of linear equation two variable is a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0, a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. From there, if we compare from that, we will get a1 is equal to 2, b1 is equal to 3, c1 is equal to minus 7, a2 is equal to p plus q, b2 is equal to 2p minus q, and c2 is equal to minus 21. So, comparing with the applying the condition for infinitely many solution, a1 upon a2 is equal to b1 upon b2 is equal to c1 upon c2. That is 2 upon p plus q is equal to 3 upon 2p minus q is equal to minus 7 upon minus 21. Or 7 1 is 7, 7 3 is 21. That will become 1 upon 3. Now from first and last, 2 upon p plus q is equal to 1 upon 3 and 3 upon 2p minus q is equal to 1 upon 3. Now taking cross multiplication, here we will get p plus q into 1 is equal to 3 2 is 6. rp plus q is equal to 6 and 2p minus q into 1 is equal to 3 3 ja 9 or 2p minus q is equal to 9. Adding both, q will be cancelled out. Now 3p is equal to 15, rp is equal to 5. Again putting the value of p in equation first, p plus q is equal to 6, p is equal to 5 plus q is equal to 6, rq is equal to 6 minus 5 is equal to 1. Therefore p is equal to 5 and q is equal to 1. This is all about this question. Question: A and B had certain number of oranges. A says to B, if you give me 10 oranges, I shall have twice the number of oranges left with you. B replies, if you give me 10 oranges, I will have a same number of oranges as left with you. Find the number of oranges with A and B respectively. कहा जा रहा है यहाँ A says to B, A B से कहता है कि अगर तुम मुझे 10 ऑरेंज दे दो तो मेरे पास तुम्हारे बचे हुए ऑरेंज के डबल के बराबर हो जाएगा. फिर B कहता है कि अगर तुम मुझे 10 ऑरेंज दे दो तो मैं तुम्हारे बराबर हो जाऊंगा. अब ये प्रश्न है कि A और B के पास कितने ऑरेंज हैं. let the number of oranges with A is equal to x and the number of oranges with B is equal to 1. According to question first condition, A says to B, if you give me 10 oranges, I shall be twice the number of oranges left with you. कहने का हुआ कि if B will give to A 10 oranges, if B gives 10 oranges to A, then the orange with A that is equal to x plus 10 and orange left with B, orange left with B is equal to y minus 10. So x plus 10 that is equal to 2 times y minus 10 or x plus 10 is equal to 2y minus 20 or x minus 2y plus 30 is equal to 0. This is equation first. Second condition is according to question second condition. Here it is said that B says that if you give me 10 oranges, means if the oranges given by B, here B replies if you give me 10 oranges, means the A is giving 10 oranges to B, then x minus 10 that is equal to y plus 10 or x minus 10 minus y minus 10 is equal to 0 or x minus y minus 20 that is equal to 0. This is equation second. Now our aim is to solve this one, subtracting equation second from first. We get x minus 2y plus 30 is equal to 0, x minus y minus 20 is equal to 0. Subtract करें माइनस, ये हो जाएगा प्लस, ये हो जाएगा प्लस, घटा दिए, ये कट गया, माइनस वाई प्लस 50 दैट इज इक्वल टू 0 और y is equal to 50. Now from equation first, x minus 2y plus 30 that is equal to 0 or x minus 2 into 100 2 into 50 plus 30 is equal to 0 or x minus 100 plus 30 that is equal to 0 or x is equal to 70. That's the number of oranges with A, that is 70, and the number of oranges with B is equal to 50. The number of oranges with A is equal to 70 and number of oranges with B is equal to 50. The third question is, a man has 20 paisa coins and 25 paisa coins in his purse. If he has 50 coins in all and total rupees 11.25, find the number of each type of coins. कहने का हुआ इसमें एक आदमी के पास पर्स में 20 पैसे और 25 पैसे के सिक्के हैं। अगर कुल सिक्कों की संख्या 50 है और टोटल उसका जो वैल्यू है वह 11.25 रुपया है, तो बताना है कि दोनों तरफ के 20 पैसे और 25 पैसे के सिक्कों की क्या संख्या है। लेट अस सपोज लेट द नंबर ऑफ 20 पैसे कॉइन्स इज इक्वल टू x, नंबर ऑफ 25 पैसे coins is equal to y. Now according to question first condition, the sum of the coins is 50. According to question first condition, x plus y is equal to 50. Equation first. Now the second thing is, the values of all the coins, that is 11.25 rupees. It means the values of, according to question second condition, values of 20 paisa coins, that is equal to 20 into x upon 100 rupees, and values of 25 paisa coins, that is equal to 25 into y upon 100. This is, here it is 20x upon 100 and this much is 25y upon 100. Now the sum of the values, 20x upon 100 plus 25y upon 100, that is equal to 11.25. Now multiplying by 100, 100 से पूरे multiply करें, we will get r 20x plus 25y is equal to 11.25 into 100, that is equal to 1125. Now dividing by 5, dividing by 5 we get, what we get, 5 4 ja 20, 4x plus 5 5 ja 25, 5y, that is equal to 5 2 ja 10, 5 2 ja 10, 5 5 ja 25, that is equation second. Now the first equation is x plus y is equal to 50. The second one is 4x plus 5y is equal to 225. Now using substitution method करें from equation 1 x plus y that is equal to 50 or x is equal to 50 minus y. This one is equation third. From second and third, substitute the value of x from third in equation second. From equation second and third. 4x plus 5y is equal to 225. x कमान रख लें और 4 into 50 minus y plus 5y that is equal to 225. और 4 into 50 200 minus 4y plus 5y that is equal to 225. और 5y minus 4y that is y. y is equal to 225 minus 200 that is equal to 25. Now putting the value of y in equation third. From equation third x is equal to 50 minus y that is 50 minus 25 and that is equal to 25. Therefore the number of 25 paisa coins is equal to 25. Therefore number of 20 paisa coins is equal to 25 and number of 25 paisa coins that is equal to also 25. Now this is our required solution. In this question, first of all, we have to suppose that the number of 20 paisa coins is equal to x and number of 25 paisa coins is equal to y. As given in the question, that the sum of the coins is 50. So x plus y is equal to 50. Now we have to find out the value of 20 paisa coins and 25 paisa coins. The value of 25 paisa coins is equal to 20 into x upon 100 rupees. That is 20x upon 100 rupees. And the value of 25 paisa coins is equal to 25 into y upon 100. That is 25 y upon 100 rupees. Now the sum of 20x upon 100 plus 25 y upon 100 is equal to 11.25. Multiplying by 100 in whole, we will get 20x plus 25y is equal to 11.25 into 100. That is 1125. Dividing by 5, we will get 4x plus 5y is equal to 225. Now from equation first, x plus y is equal to 50, we can change the value of x in terms of y. X plus y is equal to 50. Therefore x is equal to 50 minus y. Now putting the value of this x in equation second, we will, and solving it, we will get that the value of y is equal to 25. Now from the equation third, if we put the value of y in equation third, we will get 50 minus y, that is 50 minus 25, that is 25. I mean to say is that the value of the number of 20 paisa coins is equal to 25 and the number of 25 paisa coins is equal to 25. The next question, the sum of the two digit number and the number obtained by reversing the digit is 99. If the two digits differ by 3, find the number. कहने का अथवा दो अंकों का की कोई संख्या है, उसका और उसको इकाई को दहाई को इकाई पर चेंज करने पर जो संख्या प्राप्त हुई, उसका दोनों का सम 99 है. एक डिजिट डिफर बाय 3, कहने का अथवा इकाई और दहाई के अंकों का डिफरेंस अगर 3 है तो संख्या क्या होगी. Let the number at tens place is equal to x and the number at units place and the number at units place is equal to y. Then required number that is equal to 10x plus y. Because suppose that there is a number 56 56. 56 means 5 into 10 plus 6. Because 5 is at 10th place, the value of 5 is 5 into 10 plus 6. The number obtained by reversing the digit is 65. 65 means 6 into 10 plus 5. The same thing is here. Here the 10th place value is x. So, and unit place is y. So, the number will be 10x plus y. Number obtained by reversing the digit. The number obtained by reversing the digit that is equal to, now unit place goes to the 10th place and 10th place come to unit place, so the number become 10y plus x. According to question first condition, the sum of this number and the number obtained by reversing the digit 10x plus y plus 10y plus x, that is equal to 99, or 11x plus 11y is equal to 99, dividing by 11, or x plus y is equal to 9 dividing by 11. Now the next condition is if the digit differ by 3. According to question, second condition, x minus y is equal to 3 or y minus x is equal to 3, or we can say or x minus y is equal to 3 or x minus y is equal to minus 3. Now this equation was first, this one was second, and this is third. Now adding equation first and second, adding equation first and second, we get x plus y is equal to 9, x minus y that is equal to 3. So y cancelled out, 2x is equal to 12 or x is equal to 6. Now putting x is equal to 6 in equation first, we get x plus y is equal to 9, 6 plus y is equal to 9, or y is equal to 9 minus 6 is equal to 3. Therefore number is equal to, therefore number 10x plus y that is equal to 10 into 6 plus 3 that is equal to 63. Now again if we take first and third, again from first and third, x plus y is equal to 9, x minus y is equal to minus 3, adding हो जाएगा 2x is equal to 6 or x is equal to 3. Then from equation first, y is equal to 6 and then required number 10x plus y, that is 10 into 3 plus y, 6, that is equal to 36. Thus the required number is 63 or 36. This one कहने का हुआ, यहाँ पर ये ध्यान देना है कि इकाई और दहाई के अंकों का डिफरेंस 3 है। इसमें इकाई का अंक बड़ा हो सकता है या दहाई का अंक बड़ा हो सकता है। तो हम यहाँ पर x माइनस वाई इक्वल टू 3 लिखेंगे या y माइनस एक्स इक्वल टू 3। y माइनस एक्स इक्वल टू 3 मीन्स x माइनस वाई इक्वल टू माइनस 3। Here the question is the sum of the digit of two digit number and the number obtained by reversing the digit is 99. So let us suppose that the number at tens place is equal to x, the number at units place is equal to y. So required number is 10x plus y because x is on tens place. So the value of x is 10x and plus y. Now our number obtained by reversing the digit, when unit place goes to tens place and tens place goes to unit place, then the number will be 10y plus x. Now according to question, the sum of 10x plus y and 10y plus x, that is 99. Now adding it, we get 11x plus 11y is equal to 99 or x plus y is equal to 9. Now again the difference is x minus y, that is 3, or y minus x equal to 3. So we will receive three equations. One is x plus y is equal to 9, the other one is x minus y is equal to 3, and the third one is x minus y is equal to minus 3. Taking first and second, subtracting second from first, we will get 2x here. Subtracting, adding 1 and 2, here adding 1 and 2, we will get 2x is equal to 12, so x is equal to 6. Now putting the value of x is equal to 6 in equation first, we will get 6 plus y is equal to 9 or y is equal to 9 minus 6 is equal to 3. So the required number is 10x plus y. 10x means 10 into 6 plus 3, that is 63. Again from equation first and third, x plus y is equal to 9 and x minus y is equal to minus 3. Solving this, we will get x is equal to 3 and y is equal to 6. Now the number become 10 into 3 plus 6, that is 36. So the required number is 63 or 36. इसमें दो संख्याएं होंगी, यहाँ देखो दोनों को जोड़ने पर 99 आएगा, दोनों के डिजिट का डिफरेंस 3 है, 9 में से 6 में से 3 घटाओ या 3 यहाँ 3 में से 6 घटाएंगे तो घटेगा नहीं, यहाँ एक्चुअली यहाँ पर 6 में से 3 घटाना है, तो दोनों तरफ से यूनिट और टेंस का प्लेस जो है इंटरचेंज हुआ है, तो जिसके कारण यहाँ x minus y is equal to minus 3 लिखा है. Here high equation related to the question related to two digit number.